Introducing the Model ADTP2 Tabletop Labeler, the compact solution for quick and accurate meal labeling. With its compact design, the Model ADTP2 Tabletop Labeler integrates seamlessly into any meal packaging area, providing optimal efficiency and productivity. Enhance consumer experience with clear, easy-to-read content, including relevant information such as menu, nutrition, dates, instructions, and more. The wired keyboard included with this labeler allows for efficient and convenient label data input. Elevate your brand message by incorporating a preloaded logo option. With its auto-dispensing feature, simply remove the label, and the next label automatically prints. From the easy access side panel, you will find instructions to replace the labels, or ribbon. For more information on the Model ADTP2 Tabletop Labeler and how it can streamline your meal labeling process, visit us at oliverquality.com.